All right, guys, we are at the safe house right now. Yesterday, someone trying to break into the house.
It was freaky.
And they left this box here for us. So we actually opened this box over in Chad's channel, and inside the box, we found a bunch of ninja weapons and secret clues about Project Zorgo.
We need to go back into this box, find some more spy gadgets, and find some more clues.
Ooh, this is a spy pen camera.
Let's check it out.
Ooh.
By the way, I think we've had something like this before, didn't we?
Very similar, but I don't know if it was in 1080 HP.
HP, huh?
HP.
Hewlett-Packard?
1080p. So right here, that's where the camera is.
Oh, that little hole right there.
Yeah, it's very hidden.
Really hard to see.
And then if you twist it, there's a memory card holder in here.
So that stores all the video files as you're recording on the pen.
Exactly, and then you can dump it into your computer or laptop to view the footage.
So nobody would suspect that you're recording them if you had that pen on your shirt or in your pocket or something. I mean, I can barely even see that pen on your shirt.
So I can be like, oh, hi, how are you doing? Click, and then I'll be recording.
So wait, are you recording me right now?
I absolutely am, Chad.
What? Wait, are you in there? This little pen right here? That is so crazy that this pen can record my face. That's crazy. But wait a second, V. What if someone was like, hey, can I borrow your pen? That's gonna be kind of suspicious that it doesn't work.
A true spy gadget is always working. See right here, if you twist it, there's actually a real pen tip. And I can be like, oh, sure, you can use my pen.
Oh, okay, well, let's see if it actually does right. Let's see, I'm gonna write my name. Look at that, it does right. Woo!
No one would suspect a thing.
But we need a spy gadget to chop open some of this fruit though, because over on my video, guys, we were chopping up this fruit, and that's where we found the secret notes.
Oh.
Oh, wait, what is this?
Are you ready?
I'm ready, V. Ooh!
It's a huge fan, but wait, on the other side.
Oh, ninja blades.
So many ninja blades.
Wow, those look sharp.
So it's like, you know, a hot day outside. I'm just fanning myself. I'm at the beach, no big deal.
But then someone like me, big and strong, comes up, hey V, give me all your money.
And I'll be like, oh.
I'll be like, oh no, those are blades, don't hurt me.
All right, let's go test this weapon out to see what fruit it can defeat.
Oh my goodness,
yeah.
That is cool. You know, that makes the coolest sound ever.
It really does. I think this might be my favorite weapon of all. It's very girly, but like also like very deadly.
Listen to this, guys. Wow, that is cool. Well, you know what I think you should chop?
A banana.
A banana!
A banana!
I think I should throw this banana at you, V. You think you got the ninja skills?
Do we even need to ask?
You're right.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, V. I'm sorry for questioning your skills. Are you ready, V?
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, V, you threw the fan. You know what that reminds me of?
What?
Remember, I threw the fan and it went flying in the air and then it landed in the trash can? If you guys remember that, let me know.
It totally broke it open, Chad.
So is there any secret notes like we found in my video?
Let's see here.
Do you see anything in there? I don't see anything. Wait, there's something right there.
Okay, okay.
Right in the banana.
Oh, it's like a banana split. DNA PZ-23 has been assigned to that mission.
What does that mean?
I'm not sure, but I'm a little alarmed that there's PZ-23. I thought there's only 13 of them.
They did just post a video where they were like recruiting more people.
Yeah.
And they were like, if you want to join Project Zorgo, leave these comments. So maybe they got more people to join them.
Yeah, they must have accepted more members. That's kind of scary.
And that says DNA on it. That other note that we found on mine said they were collecting YouTuber DNA.
Yeah, I know. So are they trying to collect our DNA?
Oh man, let's see if that one fits together with the rest of our notes.
These notes here we found on Chad's channel.
Yep, and those two fit together. And they say there's a company that's been storing the DNA of YouTubers. Project Zorgo is trying to steal, I think they're trying to steal that DNA of YouTubers. And now this is the new one. Does this fit together?
It does, it does.
Really? So they're trying to steal that DNA and PZ-23 has been assigned to that mission.
Okay, let's see if this fits
together. Does this one fit? No, it doesn't.
It doesn't.
So there must be another note that goes right here. Yeah, okay, V, we need to find some more of these notes.
Ooh, glasses.
Yeah.
I wonder what type of glasses they are.
Special spy glasses.
I hope so.
Ooh. Oh, they're shades.
They're shades.
But wait,
You know,
how's that a spy gadget though?
let me put them on and I'll
Okay.
find out.
Oh, you look so cool, V.
Oh, I always look cool,
That's
Chad.
true. You're always cool.
Oh, got it. So these sunglasses here are very special. There are mirrors.
Oh, hey, I can see myself there.
You can.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, so there's mirror here and here. That means you can see whoever is behind you. So you can see in front and behind. So it's like you're having eyes in the back of your head.
All right, try it out, V. Put those on. Turn
Okay.
around. I'm gonna sneak up on you. You'll let me know when you can see me, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna go back here. Hopefully she can't see me. I'm gonna sneak up on her. Oh!
I thought you were much closer than that, but I can totally see you.
All right, one more test. Turn around, V. Let's make sure that you weren't just guessing correctly. Turn around. And how many fingers am I holding up?
2,
And now.
4, 1, 3.
Wow. Okay, they really do work well.
They work very well, you guys. This is so cool.
Can I try them on?
Yeah.
These are the shades. I can totally see V behind me. Hi, V. Looks like you're holding up 2 fingers. 4 fingers.
No.
5 fingers.
Oh man, that totally works! I'm so glad to have these back, and that I really like this rose gold frame too, because
Oh, yeah.
the color is very in right now.
And you're so fashionable, V.
Yes. Ooh, another gadget I feel like chosen specifically for me.
Oh, yeah?
This is a hair clip, and probably not just your ordinary hair clip. Okay, so like right here is a bottle opener,
Nice.
and as you can see right here, has a ruler.
Oh, yeah, look at that. There's a little ruler on there, so
Yeah,
you can
there's
measure things.
You open the hair clip.
Whoa, okay.
Right here, little pointer.
Yeah?
It's a screwdriver. You see all these ridges right here?
Yeah.
You know what it's used for, Chad?
No, I don't.
Filing your nails.
What?
Totally
Wait.
for a girl spy. Can I try this as an actual hair clip on you, Chad?
Sure.
Let me see.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah, just jam it into my head. Ouch.
Sorry.
Oh, my gosh. How's it look, V?
It's all right.
Nobody would suspect if you were wearing that.
Right.
Oh, she's just a normal girl wearing a normal hair clip.
Yes.
Little do they know that it's a spy weapon.
I am filled with spy weapons today.
Exactly, spy gadgets.
What? Say what? What?
Oh, are you
What?
are you recording me?
All right. This looks like a key,
Yeah.
but I know that this person wouldn't just give us a regular key. Oh.
You figured it out?
I see there's a little notch right here.
Uh-huh.
If I pull that open,
Oh! It's a hidden blade.
if you're being attacked, you can pull this out. Or you can just use this as a letter opener.
That's true. If you're in an emergency, you need to open an envelope.
Hey, if there's a secret message in an envelope that you need to open quickly.
Oh, that's totally true.
All right, I'm ready to test this key hidden spy gadget against this blue. Is it green or blue? He's looking pretty happy right now. I'm not sure
Yeah.
if he's gonna be pretty happy after I use this on him.
Wait, he's just like, but that's just a key. That's not gonna hurt me.
Oh, you just wait, Mr. Balloon.
Hey, what did he do to you?
Nothing. Count me down, Chad.
All right, V. 3, 2, 1. Is there a note inside? Let's see if there's any
Let me
secret
see.
notes. Nope, I don't see anything. That is definitely a powerful key, though.
Definitely, and I will probably be putting this on my keychain. All right. Oh my God. So this person here got this for me. This looks like an ordinary
That looks-
lipstick.
Yeah, that's a lipstick. I don't think that's a spy gadget, V. That's just a lipstick. Sorry.
Do you not know who I am, Chad? A real spy, and this is a real spy weapon.
Okay, let's prove it. See, I told you, it's just a lipstick.
How about now?
Oh my goodness! Go ahead and twist that, V. Let's see how that works. Wow, that is so cool.
Completely hidden.
Nobody would suspect that that's a spy gadget. All right, you've got your lipstick. Let's see how sharp this baby is. It looks pretty sharp. It's cutting in there pretty easily.
Yep, and then I can also use this side.
Oh my
piece
goodness.
of cake.
That cuts into there super easily.
Super easily. Look at this.
Who
no problem.
knew a lipstick could cut open a vegetable? I don't think it's a fruit. I think it's a vegetable.
Oh, whatever. it's an emoji to me. So.
Yeah. Open it up, V. Wait, I see something already.
What? Oh no! Let me see.
It's another note.
Oh, let's get the rest of the note.
All right, it all fits together.
It does.
It says there's a company that's been storing the DNA of YouTubers. Project ZORGO is trying to steal their DNA. PZ23 has been assigned to that mission. We need to stop them. I'll be coming to the safe house soon. So somebody's trying to steal YouTubers' DNA, V.
Why are they stealing it and what are they gonna do with it?
Are they gonna try to take their identity? Because like, it's kind of like fingerprints, like you said, where like they can like pretend to be them if they have their DNA. I don't know. It's kind of scary though.
But this person thinks that they're gonna stop them?
And PZ23 is the one who's gonna be stealing the DNA.
All right, guys, we need to figure out who PZ23 is and we need to stop them from taking YouTubers' DNA.
Yes, we need to do that. And we need to figure out who left us this message. They're on their way here right now. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you can be here with us when that happens.
And thank you to all you notification ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing you comments right here.
Make sure you guys check out my video where we opened the box. It's gonna be right here above my face. We unboxed a ton of ninja weapons and we found a bunch of clues about Project ZORGO.
And make sure to follow us on Instagram at Qwaint and at ChadWildClay. And I will see you very soon.
Let's do a kick bump!